Firstly, thank you so much. But this institute has been instrumental. I have to take a note of gratitude for the institute, all the faculty, especially Safir Sir, has been very instrumental in this preparation. As part of the mains companion program, and truly Safir Sir has been that companion throughout. With respect to mains, especially, it has been quite helpful. In terms of one of the strategy I wanted to do was write a lot of PYQs and also write a lot of answers. But in this exam, one tends to become very lonely, and I think one would need a mentorship. So rightly, one of my friend last year who also topped the UPSC AIR 41, he suggested me to take this mentorship here. So it has been truly a companion, I would say. The 360, like it's been like end-to-end institute. One would right from prelims, the foundation prelims, mains, as well as even during interview. The kind of questionnaire that they provided for my interview, that was also very important. Like keyword by keyword of DAF-based input that I had given. So a lot of exhaustive questionnaire was prepared. So it is 360 indeed, because right from prelims, mains, interview, all in all, I think it can be a one-stop solution. So more power to them as well. Consistency is the key here, because it's not just about being motivated for a month or an year, because this exam is going to be very long. It will take, even a successful attempt will take 1 year, let alone the preparation. So I have been in this process for 6 to 7 years now. So consistency beats everything. Consistency beats laziness. Consistency beats indiscipline, everything. So one would need mentorship for that, because one tends to get lost in this UPSC journey. So that is where I feel mentorship program here in Civil 360 is a great value addition. It always gives that continuous monitoring, hand holding, motivation. So that is what a candidate would need, because a lot of failures, after a lot of failures, one will be very demotivated. So in terms of that, I got a lot of support. So I have to rightly mention the faculty, and especially Safir Sir in this journey. Again, like one should need a lot of motivation. I've mentioned this earlier as well, but because having motivation will keep a candidate take long all through this process. So for me personally, it was my father. He's been that initiator of this dream. I wanted to do it for him, and successfully I've done it now. So he'll be very proud. Apart from that, I think understanding, like my own upbringing in different parts of my state. I was brought up in towns and tier 3, tier 2 cities, so I didn't have that lot of opportunities growing up. So I think UPSC is a great leveler, and I think ultimately every person has to work hard at some stage of life, and this was mine. And I think this success in this exam brings a lot of social mobility, I would say. Yes, ma'am. This was my sixth and final attempt, so that is important, because uh, having all the last 2 weeks have been very overwhelming, and it is easier to celebrate success. But to rise from failure, setbacks, and to have that comeback, it needs a lot of dedication, patience, and a lot of motivation. So that is where I feel, as I discussed earlier, having why am I doing this? Why am being part of this examination? Why am I taking civil services? Having that why is a big add-on, and that is what will push a candidate to rise even from failures. And once that is clear, no one will look at it from a failure point of view, but look at even failures from a very optimistic point of view. I think that then becomes very easier. Yes.